guys, I don't know why. I just felt like this sudden urge to vlog today, and I actually vlogged yesterday. I normally don't do 2 days in a row because I don't know, I just like to space them out. Today I just really wanted to hang out with you guys. I feel like Kevin's on a 36-hour shift and I am kind of just like catching up on some errands and cleaning up the house. It's like a lot of catch-up work and I don't want to do it alone, so I thought I would do it with you guys. These are actually my favorite pimple stickers I've ever used my entire life. I'll link them down below for you guys, but they have these like micro darts that shoot in stuff that like basically relieves the inflammation of your pimples, and so they work really well. You kind of have to like time them perfectly so that they are penetrating your pimple at the right time of like the pimple cycle, if that makes sense. Honestly, I feel like I live most of my life in this massive rush. I always feel like I'm falling behind, that there's a better way to use my time, and it makes me an angry person. Like when I'm driving, I'm impatient. When I'm shopping, I'm impatient. When there's people in line in front of me, I'm impatient. And I wasn't like this before, so I'm just trying to figure out where and how these feelings came about, especially because I feel like now more than ever I have like free adult time. Like when you're in school and stuff, there's like really no such thing as free time, right? Like you should always be studying or doing something better, but as an adult, like work and life are separated pretty well. On the bright side, I have really upped my parallel parking game recently. I'm a little hungry, so let's make some avocado toast. We're gonna use our little Our Place pan and make a little egg. You match the aesthetic of the couch. Did you know that? Happy breakfast. Oh my god. Ah! God damn it. I was trying to enjoy a slow-paced breakfast.
I'm releasing my wrinkles.
We have a surprise appearance from the one and only.
Wow, this is. Did you buy this too?
Yeah, isn't it cute?
Hey, this is a nice size of the.
I have a good day.
It's okay. I'm kind of sleepy. I'm going to take a nap.
Okay, on my couch.
Yeah. Where can I be the least disruptive?
Least disrupted or least disrupted?
Both. For you and for me.
I don't know.
Somebody was angry last night.
I was not angry. Here is your hourly Buttles update. He's having a great time on the couch. Hi, Buttles.
I don't want to get my fingers dirty.
It's the tricks of the trade. I don't know, something about hot Cheetos. I always use the like one-time use ones. I don't like to use the metal ones.
It's like greasy.
Is this the food of our people? At Cheetos, if you're watching this, we would love to be on the PR list. Okay, here is the finished product. It is pretty organized. We still are missing some containers, but I don't know that it really needs them. Like, whatever, I don't really want to spend money on unnecessary plastic. And then we did clean out a whole bag of trash.
look at me like I'm crazy. When I shut my feelings out, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking.
Oh no, we have a little bit of sunscreen on you. Is that better?
And the reason why we stay, we fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
Come here. Up. It is the next day. We're about to get some laundry done and do our little Sunday reset routine. But just wanted to say, if you watch this vlog all the way until the end, you're a real one. Honestly, I'm so out of breath from walking up the stairs in my house. You're a real one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I hope that you consider following Kevin and myself on Instagram. We post daily updates over there. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week. Don't forget your 10 out of 10. Don't let anyone ever make you feel otherwise. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!